In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save bookmarks on browsers. So first of all, you can see I open browser on my PC. If you have found this video helpful, please consider like and subscribing. Now, example purpose, I open this newspaper. So you can select and open any tab. Now, you just click on this icon. I again repeat this icon. Just click here. Now you can see this is a bookmarks bar, others bookmarks. So I select bookmarks, then click on done. Now if I again click on blank tab, you can see bookmark are saved on here. So if I select and save multiple, so example purpose this one, I again save this one, then going on blank, then refresh, you can see here are two bookmark saved. So this is a method how you can save bookmarks on browser. Thanks for watching.